Hello guys. A good day to all. Again, this is the Urban Plant Grower with you. And today, I will introduce to you some notable information with importance about the short introduction and descriptions of sunflower plants. We may have already encountered the sunflower plants with beautiful yellow-colored flowers in your garden or in the sunflower plant farms. But unknowingly, we don't have enough information about the very healthful oil extracted from the seeds of the so-called sunflower plants. The short introductions of sunflower plants. The North American indigenous tribes have been the first to grow and cultivate the sunflower plants over 5,000 years ago. The sunflower is not really a flower, but it is a type of inflorescence known as the capitulum. It has numerous sessile clusters of small florets. It is a bushy small-stemmed plant, with a multi-headed type producing a single large flower at the center with the similarity of a face of the sun. Sunflower planting started as a gardening hobby and later on becomes a source of food and medicine for the family. The sunflower plants have been cultivated locally and internationally and became multi-million-dollar business enterprises. It has also become a business enterprise for some companies that invested enormously in sunflower plant farming. They have established enormous farms of their own. With the popularity of sunflower as a good source of edible oil, the owners and consumers have found that the extracted oil from the seeds could be diversified into different products and byproducts. Since then, they have come up with several products developed from sunflower plants, such as fresh flowers from the plants as a perfect gift to someone, the extracted edible oil in bottles, processed bird seeds for domesticated birds, and roasted seeds are marketed as confectionery products, just to name a few. Today, the sunflower plants farming and the products and byproducts have become a part of our home food items and blossomed into multi-million-dollar business opportunities for farmers and investors. The sunflower plant has been one of the world's leading oilseed crops of the present time. The short descriptions of sunflower plants. The sunflower plants will bloom with a large flower head at the peak of the stem with a black central part consisting of thousands of tiny florets. The florets will eventually become matured seeds arranged in a spiral pattern. The petals are usually in bright yellow color, and some varieties have orange, tan, burgundy, or reddish-brown in colors. The hardy and hairy stem will grow at a maximum of 3 meters in height. The leaves are colored green, large, and rough in nature. It will produce some small and young branches in the middle of the stem with each flower to bloom. 1. Scientific or botanical name, Helianthus annuus originated from the Greek words, helios means the sun and anthos means the flower, thus the name sunflower originated. 2. Place of origin, it originated from the North American continent, in the part of Arizona and New Mexico, in about 3000 BC. Sunflower plants may have been grown for years as a source of food and medicine, and domesticated long before the introduction of the corn crop. 3. Species, the sunflower plants belong to the Asteraceae or asters family. There are about 50 species from the Americas and were domesticated in North America about 5,000 years ago. 4. Gender of flower, they have both male and female producing parts. The sunflowers are self-pollinating and could be pollinated by human and insect interventions, wind streams, and by raindrops on rainy days. 5. Soil requirements, sunflower seeds and plants will grow very well in fertile, moist, and well-drained soil. Add-on solid and liquid fertilizers are also required for better growing and care management. 6. Water requirements, it should not be overwatered and needs more watering during the summer times. The water will loosen the soil around the plants and the stem of the plant should be supported by sticks for better stabilization. A support system should be done so that the plants will not be toppled by heavy rain or strong wind. The sunflower plant seedlings should not be overwatered. Otherwise, the stems which are still soft in nature will be drowned by the excess water intake and eventually the plant dies. 7. Temperature and climatic requirements, sunflower plants need full sunlight during the day and grow well in the summertime. It can withstand short dry or wet climatic conditions. It requires hot, humid, and dry conditions to grow. They usually thrive in large clusters to create a canopy to shade the ground and prevent the evaporation and drying up of the water from the ground. The sunflower plants also thrive in large groups, thus creating a support system for each other. 8. Plant height, size, and diameter of the flower. The giant sunflower plant generally grows to maturity at about 1 to 3 meters. It depends on the variety and the growth momentum of the plants. The plant growth is dependent on the variables selected, the fertility and soil conditions, add-on fertilizers, and water and care management requirements. The size of the flowers will be ranging from 2 inches to 6 inches in diameter. 9. Uses and applications. Sunflower plant seed is a leading source of high-quality oil that can be used for the daily cooking of some healthy dishes. as a healthy fresh salad ingredient with lower cholesterol content and with omega fatty oil. The extracted oil can be used as an oil ingredient for the production of paints and as a conditioner for industrial lubricants. The fresh flowers from the plants could be prepared as a perfect gift to someone. The extracted edible oil can be preserved in bottles, and non-oil content sunflower seeds could be processed as bird seeds. The roasted seeds are marketed and are being used as a confectionery product and as a source of food and medicine. 10. Care tips and management. The sunflower plant seedlings need to be protected from the attack of garden snails until they are grown enough to withstand. The young seedlings should not be overwatered. The stem of the sunflower plants should be supported by strong sticks for better stabilization. It should be sprayed with pesticides to ward off the pests which are attacking and eating the leaves or stems of the sunflower plants. In the description box below are the reference links for the related videos about the sunflower plants. Feel free to visit the reference links and watch the videos for your added information. 1. Sunflower plants, the short introduction and descriptions. 2. Sunflower plants, the physical appearance and features. 3. Sunflower plants, the health benefits and usefulness. 4. Sunflower plants, the propagation and growing techniques. 5. Sunflower plants, the products and byproducts. 6. Sunflower plants, the business opportunities and marketing strategies. Again, thank you for listening and watching my video. If you did like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Urban Plant Grower. See you next time, and goodbye.